We're getting ready to kick off the Hawaii Yacht Club fishing tournament.
Here's money box.
Alright, man. This is it. We started the fishing tournament. Hawaii Yacht Club. Heading out. Booyah.
Money box standing by.
Teenager.
So somebody has them ready?
Good morning.
The wind picked up a little bit, but conditions are still good.
Bait is really hard. I was only able to get one bait.
Money box standing by.
Jack is still looking for his bait, but the major bite is like 10 a.m.
2 kava in the boat for me.
Alright. I got my one and only bait that I'm going to throw out and see if I can get anything, and while I'm trolling, look for another bait ball. Hopefully I can drop in on them.
Money box standing by.
Small, whatever it is. They're not fighting too much. It's got head shakes, but I don't know, it might be an Aloha. Get up to the floor, I'll be able to tell, but it's a little heavy there. No. I have to line this motherfucker. I have to hand line it, my fucking there's a hook stuck in my line. No, you're not. Phoebe. Hey, how's it going? Hey, so I was only able to catch one bait today, as you know, and I've been cruising around and I finally got a strike, and I got about a 10-15 pound yellowfin tuna, which is good. It puts me on a board. By no means is it big enough to win this contest, but you know, I'm looking for Jack right now, trying to maybe we could start trying to get more bait. That's the objective right now, is to get more bait. But we're on the board, and Team AKA, aloha.
Oh. I'm the shark slayer. Reaching him. Oh.
Update, little Jack was able to catch 2 bait. I just caught 1 more bait, so I'm gonna put my line in. I just had to rewire this one right here with fluorocarbon because I had the hand line in the last fish because it got all knotted up on the eye of the pole for some reason. So I got my jigging pole out here and I set it up. I'm gonna put the live bait on that. Little Jack's over there, you can see him. But we're still at it and we still got hope. Aloha. Yeah, it's a pretty nice fat one. We'll throw him out. Hopefully something big gets him. This Appel is huge I got. Well, I'm heading in. Little Jack's behind me. He's on the way in. I only caught 1 yellowfin tuna. I'm gonna go to the weigh-in. It starts in about an hour. Aloha.